Hi guys, my name is Gunisha Chavla and I am 29 years old. I thought you might want to know my age because now I have thought of doing something very adventurous and I have thought of preparing for UPSC. Yeah, I know my age and now my aspirations are like tish, tish. But still, and as you can see, I am recently newly married and I don't know what got into my head after getting married, but you can say it was a childhood dream that I left while growing up somewhere in the middle because of few responsibilities, and now I've circled back to it. So anyway, but because I'm recently married, it becomes very difficult for me to focus on my studies completely and do my daily tasks in a very disciplined manner. And as it is, I'm a very fidgety person. I cannot sit at a place for a long period of time. So now I've thought of this thing because there might be many more people like me who are struggling with their UPSC preparation. So I've come up with this solution that every day I will jot down my daily tasks and I will complete it with you guys, so that anybody who is struggling with self-study can join me in my live videos. We will study together and I will read the topics aloud. I will try to explain it as if I'm teaching, so that I will also understand and other people also who are maybe confused about that topic will be able to benefit from it. So let's do this together and maybe we can read the Hindu together or do the current affairs together. I don't know. I'm just starting this like without thinking much, without putting a lot of thought, because this is the only thing I thought will be able to help us all, and me especially, not going to lie over here. So I thought that let's start and then see where this takes us. If it does benefit me and somebody else, even if this benefits a single person who's watching this along with me, I'm going to do this for that person and for myself, so that we both will be able to achieve this together. So whoever is listening to this, if you think you're going to benefit, then please do subscribe, follow this channel, and let's do this together. And you know what, just let's do this, let's achieve this, because the best is yet to come. We are going to achieve this and we are going to do this together. We are in this together, guys. Okay, thank you, signing off, bye bye.